Okay, guys, let's cook some code today. So we will solve this question which came in the weekly contest 470, compute alternating sum. So if you see the question, what is the question? You have to compute sum. How? The alternating sum, basically what you'll have to do is, let's say this is the array. What you'll do, nums of 0 is the first element, okay, and second is nums of 1. So you have to subtract that, and again you have to plus add the third element, then again you have to subtract this, similarly this. So this is what sum, alternating sum, which is given in the question. So it's easy, like 1 minus 3 plus 5 minus 7, what will be the output? Minus 4. So how we will solve the question? It's just what, if your index is even, you will add. If your index is odd, you will subtract. Yeah, let's write this. As you can see, it is a easy level question. So int answer is equal to, initially it will be 0, we will go int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. If my I percent 2 is equal to 0, that means it is even. What we have to have? We have to add this nums dot nums of I, else it is odd, we have to subtract that from our answer. So basically, even indexes elements we have to add in the answer, odd indices elements we have to subtract from the answer. So we will return this answer. So let's submit this. Yeah, I can see the solution is accepted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.